in that room. Today I am bringing you another wedding invitation samples unopening. Today is Rosemood Atelier, and this has come all the way from France. My favourite place of all, the city of love and the country and just everything about it. I just love France. So this is a French one. I can't remember if I paid any postage or anything. I will check and I will write down below. I do have a playlist if you want to also check out my playlist for my wedding invitation hauls. I will link that at the end. I also do have a Patreon if you want to check that out as well. I've literally just started it. There's nothing really on there apart from a little bit about the thing. But if you'd like to help my channel stay alive and stay afloat, subscribing would be good so we can get to 1,000 subscribers so I can be monetized, as they've now changed the rules and I'm a bit screwed at the moment. But if you want to check out why I'm screwed, check out my YouTube monetization sucks video, which has been loaded. So back to something more interesting and a lot more fun. We have a little card that came in it, which is also good. I like how they put a little personal card in it. So it says, to the happy couple, here's a selection of wedding stationery designed by our independent illustrators and graphic designers. These sample cards will show you just how careful we print each creation on our high quality paper. We will happily help you prepare your wedding stationery from A to Z, and we will treat your wedding stationery as if it was our own. Ambiente Sarah. So that means thank you. I do speak French, so. The back it says, personalised stationery, our promise. Our service included free of charge. They don't charge you for their service charges. Personalised photo proofreading verification, photo retouching and layout optimization, printing and quality control, and satisfaction guaranteed. So that's their little promise on the back there. And then I have a sample of selection. A selection of samples. I don't know what's with me today. I just can't cope. Right, so we will just take a look and we'll see where we go. So this is a name card or a table card. We have a table card. This says Willow and Callum and the date. So that's cute. So you've got this, then goes on the table in front of your guest. This is a smooth matte paper, 300 gram, and this is Forest Whisper. In the inside, it actually does have a design, which is kind of cool. It stands on the table, and then it has, obviously that wouldn't be on the back, but it just tells you about it. So it's a very cute design, very simple. This one is a smooth matte paper format. And this is basically a RSVP card that they do. So you've got it like this. Again, we've got the flowers. You see that? And then on the back, you get the little RSVP thing. So whether you'd like to decline or regretfully declining. And then they also have something that I don't see on every single one. It's how many can attend. Because just because you send a RSVP for a family of 4 doesn't mean all 4 of them can attend. So if you're trying to make numbers for your wedding or for food and everything, and you need to know how many people there are, that little line there that says attending is a really good idea. Next we have something a bit more simplistic. This is a save the date card, but this is the more kind of simple, minimalistic kind of card. This again is a textured ivory paper. And it's just called Tandem. So you've got the little tandem bike on there. It's a save the date. And then on the back, you've got Willow and Callum are getting married, and then you've just got a slight detailing on there. Well, obviously you'd put your wedding date on the front or on the back. And then this one is a thank you card. So basically on the wedding day, you would take a picture of your wedding. That would go on the front, see the happy couple, and then on the back would be your thank you. This is satin coated paper, so it's the picture is also shiny, like laminated sort of thing. And this is watercolor, so the design on the back is like a watercolor blue. And it just says, thank you, we had the best time and we're so happy, basically, and love. So that's just a little thank you card that you can send to all your guests that attended. This one is, whoop, I've got two there. This one is an invitation. So this again is going on the minimalistic flower theme. You see there? And you have all your details. This one is the iridescent paper One Spring Day. So this paper is a little bit shiny. That's why my camera's not picking it up. It's got that kind of shininess on it. And then you put all your wedding information there. And then on the back, it's just green. Then you have this one, which is another wedding invitation. This is textured ivory, and this is summer night with gold detailing, basically. So you've got the shiny gold detailing there, which is cute. You've obviously got a base colour, and then the colours put on top. And then on the back, you obviously got your wedding invitation again. A bit more detail. It tells you where it is, and just a little bit of colour there. And then to go for something a bit more rustic, we have the textured ivory paper with baby's breath, which is this flower that goes around here. And then it's just a brown card. And then on the back, this is for the menu that goes on the table. So you'd put it in a little stand or something. It looks like this. This is the menu card. You see that? Which is also kind of cute. And then to go with the cards, you then get a choice of envelopes. So we have like an ivory white. Obviously these would be bigger. These are just samples. Then you have the blue, which would go quite well with the like the ocean colour ones. And then you get a brown rustic one, which obviously would do for your rustic kind of vintage weddings. So there are all the samples from Rosemood Atelier. These came all the way from France, which I'm so happy about. They look so gorgeous and cute. I don't have any coupons this time. Normally I would get like a coupon or something sent, but I don't have anything this time. But I believe the samples were free. I will check whether the samples were free and write down below whether they were. Obviously, you can check out my playlist for all my wedding invitation sample openings. Today, I was bringing you Rosemood Atelier's samples. So if you haven't already, you can check out my playlist. I will link it at the end. And if you'd like to like and subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. I have more videos coming very soon. More wedding invitations, more unboxings, more hauls, more content, bringing you content if I can every day. So if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye!